here we are on the final step. We are going to do the yellow corners. So we have our yellow cross correct, and we're just looking at these four corners here. And the first thing we want to do is not be concerned about which side is up, but just that the four pieces are in the correct corners. So for example, we look at this one, the yellow side's up, I don't care. But it's in the red and green corner, but it's the red and blue piece. And here we have the red and green piece. The yellow side's up, but again, I don't care. It's in the wrong corner. Look at this one. See, so it's not yellow side up, don't care, but it's in the correct corner. So it's the blue and orange piece and the blue and orange intersection there. And then of course this one's in the wrong place. So I have one of the four corners. And again, I'm not concerned yet whether or not the yellow is on the yellow side. All I'm looking at to start with is, hey, are they in the right place? Are they in the right corner? And when I look at the four of them, wrong, wrong, wrong. This one's in the right place. So I'm going to place that one on my right. So again, yellow is the top, white is the bottom, as we've been doing for the last several steps. And I'm going to put the one that is correct, that's in the right corner, over on my right. And then we have a new algorithm. Are you ready? Here it goes. All right, so it's over, up, over, down, over, down. And what that does is it rotates these corners. But you notice the one I put on the right does not rotate because I don't want it to because it's in the correct place. Now, I look at the other three. Are they in the right spot? And no. So I'm going to do that again, right? Over, over, down, over, down. Now when I look at the four corners, okay, this one is still, this blue and orange is still in their correct spot. Hey, look, the red and blue one is also in the correct spot. It rotated to the right place. The green and red is in the correct spot, and so is the green and orange. So now all four of the yellow corners are in their correct corners. Again, I'm not concerned about whether or not they have, notice none of them, in this case, it might be different, but none of them have the yellow face up. Don't care. I was just trying to get them in the right spots. And now I do what I call the victory lap. Okay, so now, reversing what we've been doing for the last few steps, now yellow is the bottom. Okay, and so all I want to do is flip these four pieces so that they're in the right position so that I've turned yellow. So now I put yellow on the bottom. And I'm going to go back to my old friend, right algorithm. And I'm going to hold the cube a certain way and not rotate the cube because I will be turning what is now the bottom. We've flipped our world upside down. What has been our bottom for a while, but now yellow is our bottom, okay? So I'm going to, this I like to call the victory lap because this you'll get pretty quick at. So all I'm doing here is right algorithm repeatedly. So I'm just going to start here. Why? Because, all right, so I'm going to do right algorithm until I have yellow facing down. Now, everything looks totally discombobulated, and that's terrific because you'll impress your friends this way. Notice I started facing the red side. I want to keep facing whatever side I started on. It doesn't matter which one. And I'm going to turn the bottom, which again is the yellow side. And now I'm working on this piece. So I'm going to do right algorithm until it's yellow down. Rotate the bottom again, still facing the side I started on. Do right algorithm until that yellow is facing down. Going to the fourth and final side, and it looks totally discombobulated now. So again, your friends are going to be so impressed because it looks like you've totally messed it up at this point. They saw things coming together, and now it's like, whoa, what happened? Okay, I just have one more yellow corner to flip. And so again, I'm still facing the same side, whatever side I started on there. I'm going to do my good friend right algorithm until they're all correct. And then I just turn that and bazinga. Look, you did it. You solved the cube. Nice job. All right, go back and practice till you fall asleep or your hands fall off or something. Enjoy and congratulations.